Hi, sweetheart. So she's up. She just got up. And this is going to be the bottom track. So you've ripped this from a single 2x4. And Maya just wants to help a lot. Okay, Maya. Yep, she fits right now. And when she's older. So that looks good.
All right.
All right. Oh, Maya. She likes to get her nose into everything. Hey, Maya, come. Come, sweetie. Good girl. I gotta get her a treat since I told her to come.
I'll be back.
All right. Okay, here's a treat. Come. Just put masking tape over that T-joint there, just temporarily, so that it stays in place while he inserts the bottom. You want me to hold that?
No. It's just that this lip is higher than the inside one, so I guess I'm gonna have to go inside first. That's not gonna work. Maybe I have to take it from the inside. Oh, that'll work. Almost.
Do you want me to move?
Now you can see where we're at, right? See, that's the lip I have to get over, so I need to take off another 3/16 of an inch off of the board.
Okay, no worries.
Always easy to take some off than add it on.
Yeah, we'll be here. Yeah. What do you see? She hears everything, and now she's got to go look, see what that's all about. Oh, and Jim's back.
Come on, Pop, out of the way.
Maya, here. Good girl. How's the fit?
That'll do.
That'll do? Okay.
Go ahead, give me height.
What do you mean give you a height?
Where do you want the door? It's going to hinge here.
Oh, I see. Could you put Maya next to it and see? Maya, go see Ba. Okay, go to Ba.
Good girl.
A touch higher, I think. Yeah. She can always duck, right? Right?
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Yeah, that should.
Put it higher if you want.
I think that should do. Yeah, I think that would do. Here it is so far. It's painted and 2 acrylic pieces, top and in the middle. And then the bottom is where I think we're going to do, not sure yet, maybe a mesh, maybe a hinged door, not sure yet. And maybe we're going to put in a locking mechanism so that we don't have to remove it every day. But here we are so far. This beautiful Maya door. Hey, Maya. Hi, sweetheart. We decided to go with cutting up an old yoga mat. Inserting this piece of swinging rubber. We'll hold it in place with a piece of old recycled door trim. This used to hold the door insulation. Anyway, we've repurposed it and it's going to get screwed in there, hold the rubber piece in place nice and securely. And even with all the tugging that Maya's sure to do, hopefully it stays in place. We're really tired of those flies. And we hope that this works. Okay, so here it is. It looks really good. And there's a little nose. Hello, Maya. And she's already learned to use it. That should really keep the flies out. Much better than what we had there before. Because she was tugging at, we had curtains, towels, anything, a cloth like, she was just tugging at and it was coming off. So with it being nailed in place, a heavy duty strip of rubber like that, I think this is going to work. The flies are going to stay out and we're going to be able to use our air conditioning for the few weeks of the summer. So anyway, that works really well. Good job there, Jim.
Why don't you call her in?
Okay.
Demo it.
I did. She's already come in. Come on in, Maya. Come. She's such a good girl. She loves to eat more than anything. There. Yep.
Yeah, that works okay.
That works really well.
All right, let's go in.
Hello, Maya.